So, do you know what I am going to cook, Gennaro?
Yeah.
Pizzoccheri is the only one where they do this. And this is because they couldn't grow wheat, but they could grow buckwheat. The buckwheat pasta is this one here, and it's a sort of form of tagliatelle.
Is any egg inside?
No, no egg.
No egg, so just water, that's good.
Yes, for the local grown Swiss chard.
Nice. I love
and
cabbage. All right.
Mwah. You can cut it in small cubes.
Okay.
I show you how to do this. We put away the stalk and take away just the greens, which is of the family of the spinach, you know that?
Yeah, I know that.
The beauty of this is that we cook everything together, a little bit of salt in the water, then we put the Swiss chard.
Yeah. Cabbage?
Yes.
Tell me when.
So, we put now this as well.
Yeah, one more leaves.
And the potatoes as well, Gennaro.
Yeah.
Everything together. This is a fantastic dish because you don't need to work a lot. And now the cavolo nero, which is black cabbage. So this is fantastic. Thank you. And we put the pasta to cook together with that. Then you just boil the ingredients together for 14 minutes. Gennaro, now you can cut me the cheese with we find toma, which is fantastic. It has an aroma that is really... Oh, this is a good old toma.
Do you know what it reminded me? This
Yes.
fresh hay just been harvested and put them in a stable.
You are poetical, Gennaro.
Well, this is what actually the smell is lovely, country.
Now, let's see. Yes, it comes all together lovely. Let's see, potatoes. Yeah, they seem to be cooked. Taste. Tell me if it's all right. Perfect.
Because we need to bake.
Yes, I know, but before baking need to be cooked.
This is just
Is
right.
it cooked?
As al dente.
Ah, don't interfere.
No, I don't interfere.
Now, we put everything cooked all together here.
What a lovely color.
That's wonderful. The smell is very good. Can you cut me this garlic in slice? Give me the butter that I can...
How much?
Yeah, half of that, yes. This is alpine butter. It's very good.
What shall I do with the garlic?
It comes here.
There it goes.
Yes. Gennaro, look at this, what happened now. Now, 300 grams of cheese, put it in. Yes.
Yeah, love it.
First layer. Can you pass me parmesan? Another layer. It's so simple. Okay? Happy?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm happy.
More parmesan.
Yeah.
Now, Gennaro, you can put it in the oven.
Thank you very much. What a great job you gave me to do it, eh?
Now, leave it in the oven for 20 minutes.
Yeah. Antonio?
Gennaro,
Yeah.
this is exciting. Wow. Look at that. That's a fantastic thing. Look at the cheese that is melting there.
Wow.
Wonderful. The combination of cabbage and potatoes and cheese is mind-blowing. Simply delicious. Wonderful.
Not bad wine for that ranchasi, you know, it's good.
Did you arrangiate? Did you borrow it?
Yes, I did.